Hi friends, welcome to the new video of Virome, all about virology and microbiology. And this is Anis Sudhakaran. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the scope of microbiology. Not only the scope, its application in different sectors, qualification needed for a microbiologist, and the average salary earned by a microbiologist. So let's go to the video. First of all, we discuss about the scope of microbiology. We all know that microbiology is a study of microorganisms or microbes. Microorganisms are present everywhere on earth, from the volcanoes to deep sea. It present on human body, it present on animal body, it present on plant body, it present on other living creatures. Also, it is present in soil, water and atmosphere. But the important factor is that it can't multiply in atmosphere. That is, it can multiply in all except in the atmosphere. The influence of microorganism in human life is both beneficial and detrimental. As an example, for the beneficial uses of microorganism are required for the production of bread, cheese, yogurt and alcoholic products like wine and beer. It also is used for the production of antibiotics like penicillin, streptomycin, chloromycin, vaccines, vitamins and other enzymes. And it is also used for the recycling of organic and inorganic materials through their roles in carbon, nitrogen and sulfur cycle, thus playing an important part in the maintenance of the stability of biosphere. And it is also microorganisms are the source of nutrient at the basis of food chains and food webs. They are also in detrimental influence, like harmed humans and disturb the society. The best example is the historic event Roman Empire and the conquest of the New World. The disease Black Death is a best example for the detrimental effect of microorganism in human life. Black Death or plague caused by bacterium Yersinia pestis helped to bring down the Roman Empire as a graveyard it suggests. New evidence suggests that the Black Death bacterium caused the Justinianic plague or bubonic plague of the 6th to the 8th centuries, the pandemic named after the Byzantine Emperor Justin I. And the other detrimental effect of microorganism is spoilage of food and detriment materials like iron pipe, glass, lenses, computer chip, jet fuels, paint, concrete, metal, plastic, paper and wood pilings. The scope in this field of immense due to the involvement of microbiology and microorganisms in many fields like medicine, pharmacy, dairy, clinical research, water industry, agriculture and chemical technology and even in nanotechnology. Now we can discuss about what is the role of a microbiologist. Microbiologists study the interaction of microorganisms with people and how they affect our lives, as well as the role of these organisms play in the environment. Microbiologists work in hospitals, universities, medical schools, government laboratories and almost every industry, specializing in variety of areas from the agriculture to the space industry. Typical work activities of a microbiologist include identification of microorganisms and tracking them in a range of environments, testing samples, developing new medicines, vaccines and other methods to prevent the spread of disease as well as managing and overseeing the laboratory work. Other roles can also include collecting samples from different types of environment, quality control in manufacturing and producing reports and advising external bodies. So, what next is the application of microbiology in different sectors. The first one is agricultural microbiology. What is the role of an agricultural microbiologist? He or she combat plant disease that attack important food crops and work on the methods to increase soil fertility and crop yields. In addition to this, using bacterial or viral insect pathogens as a substitute for chemical pesticides like biopesticides and developing biofertilizers for increasing the soil fertility and studying about the processes like nitrogen fixation. Application of microbiology is in environmental microbiology, where the environmental microbiologists study about the microbial ecology like biogeochemical cycles, carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, phosphorus cycle, etc., and bioremediation to reduce the pollution effects, and they maintain the ecological balance on Earth. They are found in association with plants in symbiotic relationship, maintain soil fertility, and may also be used to clean up the environment of toxic components using bioremediation. They studied about some devastating plant pathogens and use of some organisms as a biological control agents against some diseases. The third application of microbiology is in medical microbiology. In the field of medical microbiology, the medical microbiologists play a great role in finding and diagnosing the disease causing the ability of some microbes such as smallpox caused by variola virus, cholera caused by Vibrio cholerae bacteria, malaria caused by the protozoa plasmodium, etc. They diagnose and treat this disease. They have also provided us with the means of their control in the forms of antibiotics and medically important drugs like vaccines. The fourth application of microbiology is industrial microbiology, where industrial microbiologists used for quality controlling. In pharmacy industry, they maintain the quality controlling in drugs, vaccines and antibiotics. In dairy industry, they maintain the quality of milk and avoid microbial contamination. In chemical industry, they help in the production of acids, alkalis and enzymes, even fertilizers from microorganisms. And in water industry, they maintain the quality of water for drinking purpose. And in alcoholic industry, the production of wine, beer and other alcoholic products are managed by this industrial microbiologist. The next level of application is in food microbiology, where the food microbiologists play an important role in quality controlling. The main role is they find the microorganisms have been used to produce food, that is for brewing and winemaking and producing cheese and bread and even soya sauce. Microbes also responsible for the food spoilage. They find the food spoiling microorganisms and foodborne diseases which cause food poisoning. The other major fields where microbiologists recruit are in genetic engineering, where microbial genetics and molecular biology is a main feature. They engineer the microorganism and use it to make hormones, antibiotics, vaccines and other products, and new genes can be inserted to the plant and animals. The seventh field is research. The research from agriculture to space. Because of their simple structure and they are easier to study most life processes in simple unicellular organisms than in complex multicellular ones. Millions of copies of the same single cell can be produced in large number very quickly and low cost to give plenty homogeneous experimental materials. Because they produce very quickly and they are useful for study involving the transfer of genetic information. So these microorganisms are used in many research purposes from the agriculture to space research. Okay friends, now we discuss about the qualification we needed to become a microbiologist. First of all, you need a basic school education, that is high school and higher secondary education. After that, you need a bachelor's degree or undergraduate degree in microbiology or related life science field. The bachelor's degree is two types. It's BSc Honors for 4 years and BSc General for 3 years. Where BSc Honors is much more specialized as compared to BSc General degree, and academically BSc Honors is more standard degree as compared to BSc General. But if you want more balanced and multidisciplinary approach, it is better to pursue a BSc General course for undergraduate studies. After your undergraduate study, you must go through a master's program in microbiology or specialized field in microbiology like virology, bacteriology, or other. After masters, you can choose two options, either to PhD or either to MPhil or Master of Philosophy. It is a research course which is postgraduate degree of 2 years. An MPhil typically includes a taught program and a significant research program. After it, you can do your specialized research or PhD, Doctor of Philosophy for 3 to 5 years research. And after that, you can do postdoctoral studies where independently researchers are taken and professionally conducting research after the completion of their doctoral studies. Okay friends, I hope that you all get the idea about the qualification we needed for to become a microbiologist. Now we look into the bachelor's degrees and specializations in microbiology. The bachelor's courses generally provided by universities are Bachelor of Science in Microbiology, Bachelor of Science in Applied Microbiology, Bachelor of Science in Industrial Microbiology, Bachelor of Science in Food Technology, Bachelor of Science in Clinical Microbiology. Also, specialization in microbiology are available like agricultural microbiology, industrial microbiology, evolutionary microbiology, nanomicrobiology, cellular microbiology, soil microbiology, veterinary microbiology, generation microbiology, water microbiology, pharmaceutical microbiology, microbial genetics, and environmental microbiology. The master's courses provided by different universities are Masters in Science in Microbiology, Masters in Science in Applied Microbiology like in agriculture or food or industry, and Masters in Medical Microbiology and Masters of Science in Microbial Genetics and Bioinformatics. And the job profiles that a microbiologist are needed is research assistant, food, industrial or environment microbiologist, quality assurance technologist, sales or technical representative, clinical and veterinary microbiologist, medical technologist, biomedical scientist, clinical research associate, microbiologist or pharmacologist, food technologist, scientific laboratory technician, physician associate, research scientist in life science. And the employment areas where pharmaceutical industries, universities, laboratories, private hospitals, research organizations, environmental agencies, food industry, beverage industry, chemical industry, and agriculture departments. After you get a job in microbiology, the main topic of discussion is what is the average salary? So friends, we can discuss about the average salary of a microbiologist. In India, the average salary of microbiologists is between 2 to 3 lakhs per year. If you are working with the government or private organization, you will get handsome salary along with perks and other benefits. An experienced microbiologist with master's or PhD degree can get a very good salary package in both sectors. Salary will also depend on several factors like organization, sector, job profile, location, etc. Experience matters a lot in this field. Work experience helps you to give an opportunity to find out a particular job which suits you. In this field, higher salary package offered to the experienced microbiologist. When we compare to abroad studies, average base salary in abroad is $69,862 per year. The average salary for microbiologists in United States. So friends, first of all, these are not important. The important thing is if you love your job and the following your passion, then the happy life is the important salary. Okay friends, I hope that you enjoyed this video and you get a good knowledge about what the scope of microbiology, what is the applications of microbiology in different sectors, and the qualification you needed to become a microbiologist, and the salary you earn through a microbiology job. Okay friends, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for the further notifications, and also like and share our videos. Please follow us on Facebook as Viromic, all about virology and microbiology, and our Instagram page Viromic. Thank you friends.